In this video we are going to see how you can clone the GitHub repository using VS Code. So let's say you have GitHub repository and you want to clone it. You will click on code, then copy this URL, then go to VS Code and click here source control, third option, then click on clone repository, and the URL which we copied you can paste it and hit enter. So it will ask you where you can save that repository. So I'm just going to store it on desktop in a folder called temp something. Yeah, okay, select as a repository destination and it will start cloning. So would you like to open the clone repository? Yes, open. Yeah, and that repository it will open in VS Code. Okay, this is the same repository I cloned. It has all the files, so which is like similar to this repository.